Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the weather app and making sure location services and internet are available. This ensures accurate results. Once done, check settings right arrow privacy, right arrow location services, and verify weather is set to while using or always so the app can detect your position. If you prefer manual locations, you can skip always and proceed. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for timely updates. This prevents stale data. Now tap the weather app to begin adding or change. You'll tap the search icon at the bottom and type a city name, zip, or airport code. This pinpoints the location. Once you see the correct match, tap it to view weather details, then use the plus or add button to save it to your list. This lets you toggle between places quickly. Make sure to swipe left on a saved location to delete or press and hold to reorder so your primary location appears first. If you use widgets, add the saved spot to the widget for instant glanceable info. You'll finish by setting your preferred location first in the list so it appears as the default on launch and widgets. Simply drag it to the top. If the app doesn't update, try toggling location services off and on, force closing weather, then reopening. It often fixes permission hiccups. If that fails, reboot the iPhone and confirm network connectivity. As a final step, remove and re-add the location to refresh cached data. This sequence ensures accurate, current weather for the place you care about.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.